something stirring, like wind in the willows. I find her branches scattered, covering my heart. Send me the answer, send me a song, and write me a tune, sing me a song, water my garden, take out the trash, give me a tattoo, make this feeling last. Anything you do makes me roll like a raging river. I designed an arts camp and we decided to be inspired by Andy Goldsworthy and other nature artists who only use objects from their natural surroundings. And so I invited some artists from LA, San Francisco, and here in Santa Cruz to come out and create installation art with us over 4 days. The evenings are filled with music. We've had a jam every night, and we spend a lot of the daylight on the trail making little things like this and bigger projects, weavings and winding rivers. We've worked in a lot of different locations this week. I'm very proud of what we've been able to create in just a short time.
We're working on an independent level with a grand purpose. Because with collaboration we can grow exponentially more than we can as individuals. It's just good practice in getting away. It's good to feed the soul.
I've been left breathless, circle around me.